This is the black tower elder, and you do not have to do this unless you like to be very picky. This is where I cut it in spring. You can actually cut it all the way down to above a leaf node, the lowest leaf node, and it will come back super tall. Like, it'll grow 4 to 5 feet in that season. And if you go down the stems, there's these little leaves all the way down, but there are also last year's leaves. And just because I can, and if I'm around, I will go down and pick them all off. But this is totally unnecessary. It won't help or hurt the plant to do this. But you know, if you like to care for things and you are caring for something, sometimes you go the extra mile. Sometimes you walk 10,000 miles, and sometimes you walk 10,000 more. While you're doing this, you can inspect the plant. Like, I noticed that this branch isn't looking too great. Same with this one. When you scratch it, it's just brown. So I'm just gonna cut it off right there and hope that a leaf node awakens. That's dead. And look, it's blocking the growth of that leaf right there, so might as well just get rid of it if I can get in there. Get your elbow grease working. There we go. There, now that leaf has room to grow. Here's another stem that looks like it's not growing any leaf nodes. And in fact, it's dead. So I'm going to try to cut it off. Here comes the elbow grease. Well, that wasn't the cleanest cut, but it's kind of cool to look inside and touch it. It's like a sponge, or styrofoam actually, in there. Here's another branch that is alive down here, but up here it isn't, so I can't even really scratch it away. Just check. There we go. And that leaves this little leaf right here. And there's a broken stem. So even though I just went in to kind of clean it up, I did find some things that needed to be cut away. And you want to always cut away dead bits because you never know, it could attract problems.